So just a quick update in this video. In a surprising move last week, Twitter has partnered up with Etoro to allow users to buy and sell stocks and other assets. This all forms part of Elon Musk's plans to turn Twitter into a so-called super app or everything app, similar to WeChat in China. Twitter currently has a hashtags feature where you can search for a ticker symbol by putting a $sign in front of it. Depending on where you are in the world, this may show data from TradingView and show you price information. But since last Thursday, Etoro has partnered up with Twitter and the hashtags feature is being expanded to cover many more instruments and asset classes. Etoro also uses TradingView for their market data, and now when searching for a hashtag, you will be able to click a button that says View on Etoro, which will take you across to Etoro's website, where you'll be able to buy and sell the asset on their website. Yoni Asiya, who is Etoro's CEO, told CNBC in an interview that as Etoro has grown over the past 3 years, they've seen more of their users interact on Twitter and educate themselves about the markets, and that there is very high quality, real-time content on financial analysis of companies and what's happening around the world. And they believe that this partnership will enable Etoro to reach those new audiences and connect better the brands of Twitter and Etoro. Asiya also said that FinTwit, or financial Twitter, has become a popular trend on the app, which many people use to find breaking new updates on stocks and other assets, and that Twitter was a key platform in the rise in retail trading in 2021. Twitter added pricing data for hashtags back in December of 2022. But since 2023, there have been more than 420 million searches for hashtags. No, that's not a joke, with the number of searchers averaging about 4.7 million a day. They also had 498 million business and finance tweets in Q1, including some of mine. So if you don't follow me on Twitter, then this is my shameless plug to follow Get Geek Finance. So anyway, it's pretty common knowledge now that Musk plans to turn Twitter into an everything app. And these super apps offer a range of services such as messaging, banking, ordering food, and paying bills, just to name a few of them. And earlier last week, Musk also changed the corporate name of Twitter to X Corp after merging with a shell company, which also insinuates his plans to turn Twitter into something more. In addition to this, Musk told a Morgan Stanley conference recently that he wants Twitter to become the biggest financial institution in the world. And Asiya from Etoro said that he hopes that Twitter's and Etoro's partnership expands even beyond this step. So it will be interesting to see how this progresses in the future. Ultimately, I'm sure Elon would like to have the ability to buy and sell shares integrated into Twitter without driving traffic onwards to Etoro's website. But whether or not he will be allowed will be down to the regulators, and I personally think there may be quite a few hurdles that he may have to jump through. So it will be interesting to see what happens here and if this is a potential stopgap before Twitter develop their own in-house system, or who knows, perhaps Elon may even set his sights on buying Etoro. To be fair, I wouldn't be surprised if Etoro are paying Twitter for each customer that signs up, just like they would an affiliate scheme, especially as Twitter tries to become profitable. So perhaps this is a way for Twitter to raise some cash. Either way, it's definitely going to help grow Etoro's user base, considering Twitter has 368 million registered users. Now, unfortunately, where I live, I can't see this feature on Twitter, and typing a hashtag just shows tweets from other users mentioning the stock. But where I live, there has always been problems with geo-IPs, and very often we get functionality a lot later than other countries. So let us know below if you can see this and whereabouts in the world you are, because I couldn't find a definitive list on which countries this is available in. And let us know below whether you think this is a good or bad partnership for both companies and where you see this ending up. I'd love to know, and I read all your comments. And if you got any value from this video, then I'd really appreciate you giving this video a like, and please consider subscribing as it massively helps support the channel. And if you're not already signed up to Etoro, then I have my own personal affiliate link in the description below, where if you sign up using it, then I will get a kickback and it massively helps support this channel. And if you want to know how to get started with Etoro, then I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.